That thing is just. Even parking, you've got more horsepower ready to jump. What is that? Ferrari or Lamborghini? I don't know.
Lambo.
Yeah. Now, cachet-wise, those Ferraris and Lamborghinis and Maserati, like when you just flash them, what is it, the biggie, what's the one? It's always an argument between Maseratis and Lamborghinis now.
Aston Martin.
Aston Martin, loving what they're doing
Aston
now.
Martin.
They're right in the game again now. Hot as it could be, and they're also British, so I have a, the Brit connection.
Right.
I'm run off through Ireland, but we all came through Britain and Scandinavia. Hence the light eyes. People go, we're related. I think we did. Called up to Northern Europe and then wrapped around.
It was only, there was only so many ships that made it across.
Yeah.
Those are funny. We call them young. Those are young Karens. Are funny.
Yeah. Well, they're pivotal, so they're right.
Yeah, exactly. Right, exactly.
Self-effacing,
Right.
like I'm delayed. Hey.
They're one mimosa away
girls.
from sitting down and smoking a burger.
Come here, girls. I'm cleaning up slowly.
I want to see who gets out of this ride.
No big molts here.
I want to see who we get coming out of here. We get a TMZ cameo. We're gonna have to.
Let's get somebody who fits.
Yeah. All right. Sorry. My bad. He doesn't like it. It has tech where it can tell when you zoom in.